Welcome back. The sequence that controls the copy number of the linked DNA in the vector is termed, so it is not all these, the answer is option number 4, ORI. This is origin of replication. PBR322 is the plasmid Bolivar Rodriguez from Boyer's lab, and this was constructed in 1977. So it has important regions. The first one is ORI, origin of replication. So this is rich in AT, so this can easily open up and then it can start the replication process. ROP is the repressor of primer. This region, this controls the copy number of plasmid. So actually this question is what controls the copy number. ROP is not given, ORI is given, but actually it is the role of ROP. See, plasmid depends on host machinery. We need a system which can check the copy number and prevent over replication of plasmid. So AMP and TET, these are called selectable markers. They confer antibiotic resistance to the cell. So they code for specific enzymes that can destroy the antibiotic, and this is how it helps the host cell. And last, you should know the recognition side. So when you're revising this topic, make sure that you know the location of each and every restriction site. So I will give you one example. This question was asked in Re-Exam 2024. Select the restriction endonuclease enzyme whose restriction sites are present in the tetracycle resistance gene in PBR322 cloning vector. So if you know the answer, it will be BAM-H1 and SAL1. Option 1. Similarly, if the same question was on AMP gene, then tell me the answer. It will be PST1 and PVU1. See, PST1 and PVU1. Okay, so by heart all these names. Maybe you will get this diagram and label different restriction enzymes.